Hi everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm doing a video on Maple Finance. So if you could, hit the bell notification so that way you'll be notified when we put out more content. The like button, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. So before I get started with the video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It is my opinions and views, and is to be used for entertainment purposes only. So let's get right into Maple Finance. What is Maple Finance? It's an institutional capital marketplace that operates on a blockchain and provides a platform for credit professionals to manage lending businesses and syndicate capital to institutional borrowers for business growth and operations. So basically, it's a platform, a decentralized credit platform marketplace for corporate level investors, institutional investors. So as decentralized finance continues to disrupt the traditional finance models, protocols like Compound and Aave have laid a good foundation for decentralized lending and borrowing, but have done little to address the over-collateralization of the credit marketplace. Maple Finance was built to introduce under-collateralized loans to DeFi. So on May 12th, 2021, they went live. And so you can see, since they've launched, they have 4 liquidity pools and have processed over $500 million in 69 loans within 1 year of operation. And it makes it streamlined for these institutional lenders and borrowers to do business. It's almost instantaneous. It doesn't take days for them to do it anymore. There's no more fees. So I really think this is going to be a big coin, especially that it's dealing with corporate level banking industry, credit lending. You have to have at least $1 million because you have to be certified. So it's dealing with big business, and usually big business does pretty well. They know what they're doing. So you can see here, Maple's website, you can go ahead and you can lend, you can borrow, you can launch a pool, there's staking resources. So you can stake, you can go here if you want to stake your your Maple tokens, the MPL token is the symbol. You can go ahead and delegate. This is for the staking. So there's many different things we can do here with Maple Finance. I'm looking at it as an investment, anything to do with big business, making the traditional lending on a large scale or borrowing on a large scale more streamlined, much faster, more secure, using blockchain technology. It's much better. It's advancing. It's the lending and borrowing technology is advancing. So you can see they have their partners for their network. They Bitwave, BitGo, and Coinbase Prime for their custodians. They have digital asset wallet partners with Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask Institutional, Alchemy and Tenderly for infrastructure providers. Monitoring for security, make sure everything is going the way it's supposed to. Payment, they're live. They're already a functioning company. And they have, like I said, over $500 million they've loaned since they've launched in May of 2021. So a little over 2 years. So we can go to CoinGecko and just look at the stats on that. Right now, Maple Finance is ranked 430th. So it's not a micro cap, but it's definitely not like it's probably a small cap if you want large cap, like the top 50, and then medium cap and small cap. But you can see it's only got a market cap of $46 million. So 24-hour trading volume is 400,000. So it's not a lot of trading on this right now. I think a lot of it is just people are accumulating, and industrial creditors and lenders to get going here, especially with everything going on with these ETFs. I really think this bull market is going to be the bull market for corporate America to really get involved with cryptocurrency and take off. And who knows what's going to happen with total market cap. It could go, higher than anybody can imagine, or it could just stay, where it is. But I really think it's going to be trillions of dollars at the peak of the next bull market. So you can see we have 7,900,000 coins. Total supply is 10 million coins. So I'm looking at the price right now. It's $5.87. So I really think that's a good price. Its all-time high was $68. So it's over 91% below its all-time high. So I really think the growth potential on this coin and what it's doing and who its partners are, it could be huge. So, I mean, we look at, let's go to the chart, and I was looking at the chart here, and you can see this is roughly this year. So you can see I drew this line right here where kind of like $5.50 was kind of its line, whether it was acting as a support or resistance. You could see like once it broke up above 550, the beginning of the year, it just kind of tested it as support, went below it. Then we had it tested as resistance a couple times, then it went above it. And it's just been kind of the line in the sand, and right now we're testing it as support is $5.50. So I've been accumulating personally, and I've been buying between $5.50 and $6. I really think it's a good price to buy, but it's still risky because we still don't know. This could still drop. It is below the 200-day moving average. It's hovering. So it's taking a chance, but I'm looking at it as, even if it goes below this, I'm holding on for the long term, meaning, the next couple of years to get through the bull market and see where it's at. You can see here like price projections for Maple Finance. For 2024, they're thinking it could go as high as, $13.62. That's over, that's a, 200% gain almost. So, excuse me, over 100% gain. You can see here, they're thinking $46 plus for 2025, so at 587, that's roughly, that's almost like, it's getting close to, 800, 700% gain, which is great. I really think this is going to go higher. I think it's going to surpass its all-time high. I really do. I think this is one that's really going to take off this next bull market. Institutional money's involved, huge money. I mean, we got trillions of dollars just waiting for these Bitcoin spot ETFs to launch. And there's also there's also a Ethereum ETF waiting too. So we look at this $68. That's over 1,000% gain. We hit that. I read something. I wish I could have found the article, but their price prediction was roughly $240. So I look at the market cap right now at 46 million. If we had a 10x, I'd put the market cap roughly at 460 million. So at 460 million, you're probably in the top 90 coins. You're probably around 85, 90. If you were that high at current values right now. If this thing 100x and was like 4.6 billion, could I see that happen? Is that realistic or possible? It definitely is. Definitely possible. You look at the coins that are in the top 100 right now, it's definitely possible that this coin could be, a $1 billion plus market cap coin. Check out like the top 10, like Dogecoin is top 10. That's almost a $10 billion coin market cap. Come on, that was a meme coin. That's crazy. Definitely Maple Finance could be at least half of that, or even, let's see what else we have in here. Shiba Inu. That's where it would be. So it would be 19 if it 100x. I think it's more valuable coin than Shiba. And I definitely think, I think this is going to be a $1 billion market cap coin someday. So that's my guess. So definitely Maple Finance. I think it's a good coin to get involved with. They're the only one doing what they're doing. So, and they're first to market. So I really think this is a good coin to get involved with. But like always, definitely go do your own research. Investigate the company, everything that you need to. Don't just rely on what we say here. But anyway, that's all I have for Maple Finance. I hope you enjoyed the video. if you could, please hit the like or subscribe or hit the bell notification. That way, you'll get notified when we put out more content. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and everybody have a great day.